Hey guys, Workers Maintenance. Today's tour review is going to be a product from EZRed. I have tried out some of their pliers and a couple of their wrenches before in the past. They've been pretty good. This one I would consider more of a product of theirs and not so much a tool. And what it is the 48-piece magnetic flexible bit holder. Part number on this one is EZBIT-R. This one cost me $15 on Amazon. I think that R stands for red. They also have a like neon green option, kind of like that chalk shot there. It was $19, so it worked out for me because I wanted the red anyways. It was a little bit cheaper. You can see the main attributes of it are that it's flexible, magnetic, also compact, as you can see there. Here's all the information on the back. 48 bits, non-marring polymer, magnetic base, mounting hose. There's the sizes, and also it's made in China, so it's 3.74 by 4.64 by 0.51. So right here's your 3 and basically 3/4. Here's your 4.64, and then it's basically about a 1/2 inch in thickness. And I bought this for a specific reason. I was actually going to take it. You can see those mounting holes that it mentioned. I was going to take this and mount this on my wood drawers in my truck, just for a quick grab space so I could quickly throw bits, in and out of it, just the most common grabbed ones if I'm grabbing just an impact out of my truck. And whenever I get back, I could just put them in this temporarily until I put them back in their cases. If it's raining out, doing whatever it is, I just thought it was a pretty compact size. The bits hold in there extremely well magnetically, so see if you can hear the snap on this. You can hear it just kind of sucked itself right back up in there because I barely put it in there. You can feel it go back in there. I mean, you can hear that. I don't know if you guys can or not. I don't think that the bits would ever come out of there unless you actually grab them and pull them out. So again, you got 48 slots. You could fill this up. And again, the polymer, it's kind of like that silicone. So I could even throw this on my truck while I'm working with some bits that I'm using for whatever it is. Don't have to worry about this probably scratching my truck in any way. A washing machine, any kind of appliance, a metal surface of any kind. Basically, you could throw this on there. And that's, again, how I intended to use this, and I think it's still going to work that way. I'm probably even going to buy another one. But I feel like it's even more useful after I got out of the package and I saw some of the things that it did. Because one of those things that it does is you can fold it in half like this. It snaps together because those magnets hold, and now it is pretty compact in size. So I typically run the regular bit rails in my bags. I keep this one, actually it's my Allen key set, down inside that pouch, but you can also put the carabiners on there and hook them onto D-rings like this, wear those around in your bag for your bits, stuff like that. And I really like these, so I don't have a problem with these, but this might be a better solution for some of you out there. You do have these mounting holes. They line up to where you can find yourself a small carabiner of some kind. This hole is a little bit small, so you got to have a small one, but I could run this through there. Now I've got that on there. I can then put that on the D-ring. See if I can get this in the frame over here. And you could use that as a bit holder. 48 bits, magnetically held. All those things the same as a regular bit rail if you wanted to. But to me, it's got more features on it than that of the regular bit railer that might make it something that would be enticing to you guys to kind of swap over to it. Let me go ahead and get this carabiner back off of there. So that's the one downside of that is I'm going to have to take that off to do what I'm about to show you, is because not only does this hold 48 bits, I can, put something through there, hang it on my bag, but you open this up, I can now take this out flat, lay it on the table where I'm working, whatever it is. But then the reverse side of it, you still have all these magnets back here. This side's also magnetic, so I can take, here are some number 6 screws. Again, it's not going to hold anything crazy heavy because it's a very small space. It's very small magnets in there. It's basically like I think they've got like a single wide magnet that goes across each one of these rows. But as long as you're spreading over and you're not just stuck in the middle of one of these spots that has nothing, you basically have a small kind of magnetic parts tray. Of course, you wouldn't be able to set this down like on a washing machine or something. But in a pinch, you've got something that's going to hold your fasteners and stuff like that magnetically, along with holding 48 of the bits that you would like. And then again, on top of that, if you're not using this feature, you can fold that up more compact. That holds together. I mean, you have to pull that apart. That snaps together. The magnets are holding themselves. And then again, you could take a D-ring, use this as a bit holder, put it on your tool bag. So again, for $15, I feel like it is a pretty good bang for your buck. And again, the magnets on the bits, I feel like are holding significantly well enough that you would never have to worry about. I'm just going to take a bunch of these randomly and throw them in there. I'm not going to fill it up all the way. And I can shake this 100%. No bits are coming out of there, but they're easy to get in and out. Probably easier to get the bits in and out than what this is as well. But again, it's just two different things. This one might be a better option for you guys because you're getting double duty with it. There's just more options of folding this up, making it compact, spreading it out, throwing it on a table, easy to grab all of them, or using it as a parts tray. Lots of options with it. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So again, that is the EZRed 48-piece magnetic flexible bit holder. They've got it in red. They've got it in green, somewhere between $15 to $20. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you think that that is more useful than what the regular bit rails are, let me know if you've been using this for quite some time, or if there's some other option out there that is very similar to this, does the same type of things that you think is better. Drop that in the comments below as well. But as always, I hope this video was helpful in some way. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.